It's Super Bowl Sunday, and here I am shredding a block of sharp cheddar cheese. Yeah, you know why I prefer shredding my own cheddar cheese is because if you buy those shredded ones, they put some sort of sawdust in it to prevent it from caking. So that's why I got this going over here from Costco, aged over 6 months, gluten free. Okay, wait for it. We'll shred our own. No sawdust. Yep. I paused for a little bit so I can see the progress here. Yeah, I use the plastic as a glove so I don't contaminate the cheese. So this is how you do it. No sawdust, all cheese. Okay, we got our first bag here, and I think we got 2 or 3 more bags to go here. So let's keep it going. By the way, Philadelphia is winning 7-0, and Jalen Hurts just got intercepted. Yeah, okay. Wait for it. Okay, we got our second bag here, and working on a third one, and this is how it looks like here. Was a 2.5 pound block of cheese. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we got our third bag going. We packed it up, sealed it. Yeah, and this is what's remaining, a cylinder. Check it out. And I'm wearing gloves, see, so it does not defeat the purpose. Contamination. Okay, wait for it. Let's finish this baby up. Check it out. Okay, this is what we got here. This is the fourth one, but I have to stop shredding because I don't want to be shredding my flesh here, so I let that go. Okay, enjoy. Check it out for without the sawdust. Yeah, check it out. My work for today. Anyway, Philadelphia winning 10 zip. Yeah, Kansas City will still win it. Check it out. Okay guys, have fun.